Got nothing. I got no comment. And this beautiful day where the sun is coming up here. I got no comment. There's like a woodpecker happening. I got no comment really on it. It's just rhododendrons, right? Enjoy these. I enjoy the rhododendron. Childhood favorite flower. I mean, look at them. There's many purple flowers here in this neighborhood, and I suspect that the people that built the neighborhood, when they put up the houses, planted the trees. I have a suspicion of it because this color flower is popular about the region that I'm in. There's many of them. There's like 2 over there. Look. See that? See that there? There's a rhododendron and a rhododendron and that same purple. Like, that's not just coincidence, right? They planted them like that. Okay. Now look at this. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful photograph right there that just happens to exist in the world right now. Okay, I'm going to end this movie right here in the middle of the rhododendron bushes and take a picture of that house. This is my sweatshirt.